Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation about renting a car in America. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two friends. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. In America, which side of the road do cars drive on? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Good morning, Mina. Are you ready for today?
Good morning, David. Yes, but I am a little nervous.
Why are you nervous? It is a beautiful day.
This is my first time driving in America. At home, I drive sometimes, but here, everything feels new.
Do not worry. I will help you the whole time. I have driven here many times.
Thank you. That makes me feel much better.
Did you bring your driver's license? You will need it inside.
Yes, I have it here. I also brought my international license, just in case.
That is smart. You will need both of them today.
Both? Okay, good thing I brought them.
Yes, always keep them with you when you drive.
I will. I will keep them in my bag.
But there is one big thing that is very different here. Very different from Japan.
One big thing. What is it? Tell me.
I will not tell you now. You will find out when we start driving.
That is not fair. Can you give me just one hint?
No hint. Just think about it. It is something every driver here does.
Every driver does it. Now I'm really curious.
Good. Remember that question all day. First, let us go inside and get the car.
Okay, but will you come with me to the counter?
I will go and look at the cars outside. You talk to the agent by yourself. You can do it.
By myself? Okay, I will try my best.
You will be fine. Just be kind and listen carefully. I will see you very soon.
All right, wish me luck.
Good luck. Go get our car.
Hello, welcome. How can I help you today?
Hello, I have a reservation. My name is Mina Sato.
Let me check for you. Yes, I found it. A small car for 3 days, right?
Yes, that is right. 3 days.
Great. May I see your driver's license, please?
Here it is. This is my license from Japan, and here is my international license too.
Perfect. I need to see both of them. Thank you.
Oh, I see. So I should always show both?
Yes, that is right. Now, one more question. How old are you?
I am 21 years old.
I see. Drivers under 25 pay a little extra money. We call it a young driver fee.
Oh, really? I did not know that. How much is it?
It is $20 a day, so that is $60 for 3 days.
Okay, I understand. Is insurance included?
Yes, basic insurance is included, so you are protected.
Good. That makes me feel safe.
Would you like a bigger car? It costs a little more, but it is good for long trips.
No, thank you. A small car is fine for me. It is easier to park.
That is a good choice. Now, one more important thing. Please return the car with a full tank of gas.
A full tank, so I fill it up before I bring it back.
Exactly. We call it full to full. You get it full and you return it full.
Full to full. I will remember that. Where do I return the car?
Right here at this same place. Just bring it back by Friday evening.
Okay, this same place by Friday. Got it. Thank you for telling me everything.
You are welcome. Here are your keys. Have a safe trip.
David, I got the car. Here are the keys.
Great job. See, that was not so hard, right?
It was okay. The agent was very kind, but I learned a new thing. Drivers under 25 pay extra.
Ah, yes, the young driver fee. I forgot about that. You are still young.
Yes, I am. He also said we must return the car full of gas.
That is right, full to full. We will fill it up before we come back.
Okay, so which car is ours?
It is this one, the white car over there.
Wow, it is big. Cars here are really big.
Yes, American cars are often bigger than cars in Japan.
I see. Why is that?
The roads here are wide, so big cars are easy to drive.
Right. It has a big trunk, too. We have lots of space for our bags.
That is good for our beach trip. Let us put the bags in the back.
Done. Now let me look inside. Oh, there is no clutch. Only 2 pedals.
Right. Almost all cars here are automatic. You do not need to change gears by hand.
That is good news. Automatic is much easier for me.
Manual cars are not common here. Many people have never driven one.
Interesting. The seats are big and soft, too. It feels very comfortable.
Yes, it's a nice car. By the way, do you remember my question?
The big difference? You still did not tell me.
Not yet. Get in the car first. You are very close to the answer now.
Okay, let's get in.
Before we drive, let us get ready. First, move your seat.
Okay, I need to move it a little closer. There, now I can reach the pedals.
Good. Now check your mirrors, the 2 side mirrors and the one in the middle.
Let me see. I can move them with this button. Now I can see the cars behind me. Good.
Now, this is very important. Put on your seatbelt.
Of course. Click. Done.
In America, everyone must wear a seatbelt, not just the driver, everyone in the car.
That is a good rule. Safety first.
Yes, let me show you a few things. This button turns on the lights. This one is for the wipers.
Lights and wipers. Okay, and what is this one?
That is the horn. Push the middle of the wheel, but only use it when you really need it.
I understand. I will be careful with it.
One more. This one is the air conditioner. It gets hot here, so you will need it.
Good to know. I will turn it on now. Oh, that feels nice.
Good. Now let us set the GPS. Where do we want to go?
To the beach. Can you type it in for me?
Sure. Okay, it is set. The beach is 20 miles away.
20 miles, not kilometers.
Right. In America, we use miles, not kilometers, and the speed is in miles per hour, or mph.
Miles, not kilometers. Okay, I will remember. This is all so different.
You're learning fast. The GPS will tell us where to turn. Just listen to it.
That is helpful. Okay, I think I am ready to start.
Great. Let us begin. Okay. Start the car, push the brake, then press the button.
Like this? The engine is on. It is so quiet.
Good. Now slowly drive to the exit. We are going onto the road.
Okay, slowly. I am at the exit now.
Now stop here for a second. This is the big difference I told you about.
Oh, the big thing. Tell me.
In America, we drive on the right side of the road, not the left side.
The right side? In Japan, we drive on the left.
Exactly. That is why it feels strange at first. So turn onto the right side of the road.
Okay, right side. I need to think about it. Like this?
Perfect. You are on the right side now. Very good.
This feels so strange. My body wants to go to the left.
I know, it feels strange for everyone at first. Just go slowly and stay on the right.
Okay, stay on the right. I will watch the other cars too.
Good idea. Follow the other cars. They're all on the right side, just like us.
You're right. Now it makes sense. Everyone is on the right.
Also, the driver sits on the left side of the car here. In Japan, the driver sits on the right.
Yes, the wheel is on the left. That felt strange too, but now I understand why.
You are doing great. Drive on the right, sit on the left. You will not forget now.
Drive on the right. I will never forget this.
Now you know the big secret. You are really driving in America.
I am doing it. I am driving on the right side.
You are doing great. Now we are coming to a red light. Slow down and stop.
Okay, I am stopping. We want to turn right here, yes?
Yes, and here is something new. In most places in America, you can turn right on a red light.
What? Turn right on a red light? Is that safe?
Yes, but first you must stop fully. Then look both ways. If no car is coming, you can turn.
I see. Stop first, look, then turn. Okay, here I go.
Nice and slow. That was a perfect turn.
That was new for me. We cannot do that in Japan.
Every country has different rules. That is why driving in a new place is exciting.
It is. Oh, the GPS says go straight for 2 miles.
Good. Just stay on the right and follow the road. Oh, look, the gas is a little low.
You are right. Should we fill it now?
Yes, let us stop at that gas station. Stop next to that pump.
Okay. Do we wait for a worker to fill it?
No, in most places you fill it yourself. It is self-service.
I fill it myself? How does it work?
First, you pay with your card here.
Okay. Then what?
Then you take the pump and put it in the car. It is easy.
I see. And here, gas is sold in gallons, not liters, right?
That is right. You remembered. 1 gallon is about 4 liters.
Gallons, miles, right side. I am learning so much today.
And you are doing all of it well. I'm proud of you.
Look, David, we are here. I can see the beach.
You did it. You drove all the way here by yourself.
I really did. Let me park the car. Is this spot okay?
Yes, that spot is fine. Park slowly. Perfect.
I am so happy. That was hard, but it was fun.
So tell me, what was the big difference in America?
That is easy now. We drive on the right side of the road.
Correct. You will never forget it now.
Never. And I learned so many other things too.
Tell me, what do you remember?
Show both licenses. Return the car full of gas. The car is automatic.
Very good. What else?
Miles, not kilometers. Gallons, not liters. And the driver sits on the left.
You remember everything. And one more thing?
Oh, yes. Turn right on a red light. That one surprised me the most.
It surprises everyone. You learned a lot for one day.
I did. Renting a car in America is not so hard after all.
No, it is not. You just need a little help and a little practice.
That is true. Maybe next time I can drive without help.
I am sure you can. You are a good driver now.
Thank you for teaching me, David. I could not do it without you.
Anytime. Now let us enjoy the beach. You earned it.
Yes, let us go.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. In America, which side of the road do cars drive on? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.